Good day, welcome to Multinet Design. In the continuation of our new design that we are working on, so in the last episode, this is how far we were able to. So if you want to see from a perspective aspect, so this is how it looks like. And imagine those. So and the only thing now what we want to focus attention on. Remember when I call this section to show you the way the how will I say it now? To show you the way the stair flow. So you see that's the way the stair flow. So now I want to now start developing the whole environment. Let's do that as fast as possible. So we say model in place, model here. So this thing we need to do, just use casements like normal how you whatsoever you can use. There are so many other ones, so I just like casement and retain it to my own. So I leave it like casement 4. So I'm going to do that by creating this create use extrusion. So I'm creating flower parts around this. So I'm going to use that. So that's just the way I want to do it. So then I will just say let's offset it of 700, just like a flower pot position. So I'm going to have it like that. So I will draw this. So you understand, sorry, it's supposed to come back to 0. So I will draw this in, say then I'm gonna leave this one alone. So what I need to do is that I will just close this. Then the next I need to do is to draw another line, sorry, to meet up here. So while I trim this, so this will be able to connect together. So I will draw another one too, just from here. We will put it here. It's not going to connect together with them. They're just the same family. So I will say offset again 700. So you understand. So I'm going to draw that one. So now this one have issue with one another, but it does not matter. So I'm going to say break. What I do is that I delete this one. I don't need it. So I've broken that one into 2. So as I split it now, I should be able to use it confidently. So that's the way you are. So that is it. So you can change material here now. So I'm going to change the material to something like let me use this I can't use cherry. Okay, anyway, you can use anyone, just duplicate and rename to whatsoever you want to do. So I'm going to just call it a fast. So just like any name you give it to it. You can have this if you want to present your graphics, but if you not, it's not too necessary. So you say library appearance. So come to site work. So what I need to do is that I will select this dark grass and I will use it. So I have it. So I'm not going to stop like that. So I will just like copy this one by pressing 1. So like copy to the same instance. Then you reduce the height of this. So you reduce the height to like 2, let's say 210. So now I will extend this by offset, just a fast method. Offset it like a 70, 10% of what I have there. If it's not going to be okay, you can increase it to like 100 without copy, so that you still maintain. So this one offset it inside without copy. So take this one outside. Now you will change the material of this. You can leave it if it's not what you need. So I'm going to say finish. So I will edit the material now. So I will duplicate it and call it fast 2. I start okay fast 1. Then I will change this color completely to something ceramic. So I'm going to go to ceramic and say, so I'm going to use this one. So I have it now. So I can now look at it from here. So you see, so that's what I create. So from here now, I will proceed. You can add flowers and whatever you need to have. When you look at it from the perspective design like this, so you get something different for what you have done. You see this giving me the issue. The issue is that it's not in a normal. Let's look at it together. What happened there? What happened was that one did not come close, so I need to edit that. Go to level 2. Then level 2. Then you need to draw the wall to complete the whole face. So now you align this. So that's it. Then at this level 2, you do the same thing. Every other thing. That's why a little bit you'll be working on the details. So that I copy here now. So the detail is much more. Where there's need to correction, you do them. And you finish it. So that's it. Now you gotta look back again at the elevation at the 3D cell. So I think it's now close. So you have this one in place. Things like this is fine. So you have this. You can decide to render it. You can decide to continue putting more details upon it. So I want to change the color of this inside. So I'm going to still use this one. So edit in place. So when you select this one now, I think I still need to reduce this. So I'm just going to give it to like let's say 20. Okay. Now so I will go to start elevation. From start elevation now, I will just copy. When you copy it, say copy 1. So that it is like retaining the same position while you edit. So you are going to delete all the externals. So you understand, all the external lines are going to be gone. So I don't need them. Just delete. Do the same thing for all the external line. I don't need them. Let them go. So I'm done with the line that have no connection with what I'm creating. So now I have this one in place. So if I leave it like this now, it's going to cover a lot of things, which is not what I want. So I'm going to say move. So it's remove or align. Let me align them. Let me align them to the one in the middle. Align to the middle one. Then align to the middle one. Align to the middle one. So when you align to the middle one, press escape. So this one's like covering the window, which is wrong. But you can move, let's say move it. I'm moving it to the lower part, which is here. Understand? So where I still push this to come down and meet it here. Okay. So I will copy this now and I will say move. So there are techniques to what you can do. You just need to just concentrate your effort and see what you are creating. So as I have done with that one now, I'm going to change the material completely. You can have material which is red or whatsoever that you need, that's okay. So but for me, I just want to have something different. I'm searching for the one that can use something red in nature or super pants. Okay, I think that one I'm going to use. So if I look at it from here now, you can see something that's attractive to me. That is my home. So it now depends on how much you work on the details. So you can work on the front. So now quickly let us create the front step. So we use that step and copy it all around. So we're going to say model in place, model in place. So you just let little use placements, as I used to say. It's my choice, not you can use anything. So you just say okay, while I select my reference plane and move on from here. Okay, the same brand. So 300 again. Before I have that, start copying from here to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next. Now I have issue. It's getting too high than the way it's supposed to be. This is the level we are come. So what you just need to do is to pick and say copy. In fact, you have issue. The issue self is real. You didn't copy what you're supposed to. So let me delete them. So I don't need the way it's supposed to be end to end. Just fix seeing it now. So I will just like copy here. So move from here to here to another one. So it's already higher than the way it's supposed to be. So we call it quit. While we select everything, then we say move. Then we drop it here. I think it's okay. No, it's supposed to be at the level 1. Align with that, or below it. I think it's below it will be okay. So we have issue, which is already set. So we'll do this. We'll do the same thing here. While this one we do it. Something done. So click finish. It's done. Go to start education and drag it to where it's supposed to be. You can drag it at any length, depends on your choice. So as we have, we are going to have it here. So every other thing is still going to work on this area. So change the material where you don't have any issue with it. So cherry here, you don't need to duplicate that, or at least the ceramic tags. I think this one will be okay. So let me select so that I can change it from the graphics. Okay, this is realistic. It's kind of doing excess. Just leave it there. So go back and see it and take it. I think so this one now you can copy around to wherever there's step and anything. So that quickly do that before you call it out. So we move from foundation, do that from foundation. Now I have issue with this line. We'll do that now. Go to this. The surface is what is causing issue. Just put non-pattern. You don't need pattern in anything. So you don't use any pattern to be anything. So no pattern for everything. So now we copy from here. So we copy it here. Then we have entrance here. Say move or rotate. We rotate without copying. Now you move, stage it outside, stage it here. So it's because there is entrance from back as well, you know, mirror. You get, so if you check your 3D, if there's anything you have forgotten, you can just like take it off from there and work it. So I'm going to say move from there now, stay here, move from there now. So 3D to check, and that is it. So it's okay. So you need one here, you need another one here, so you have to have 2. So that's why you need to be checking your work. So I think there's one here that leads to the kitchen. This one leads to kitchen. There's one that leads to the rooms of everyone. I think you should do that. Say copy, let me use from level 1 so that I'll be able to see it perfectly. So I say copy from here, or I should just extend everything. Remember, this is kitchen, you need to come out. You're still going to have door here. Extend it, you're going to pick it because there's still entrance here. So the same thing you have here, this place needs to be open. The part of the work that we will do, or let us do it. So if you see the plan, if you love the plan, follow through and make issues for your clients. That's what we do, bring different kind of plan in multi-use area so that you be able to have effective design nature. So time for watching. This is how far we have gone. We shall see you in the next tutorial where we do the details and still continue building to the very tasteful end. Thanks for watching. God bless you.